Nibiru is a planet-sized ship like the size of Jupiter. And when it was going through the universe in its search for gold, it came in to the Milky Way. And when it came into the Milky Way, I think it first hit Neptune or Uranus. I have to double check. But then it was wobbling through our particular solar system trying to stabilize. It ended up smashing into another planet, which is why you see that asteroid belt going the opposite direction of the planets in our solar system. Because it was something that came from the opposite side that smashed into something to send this asteroid belt going the other way around our sun. And it was that Nibiru that smashed that planet. There was Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Meldek, then Jupiter. But now Meldek is no longer there. And you got this asteroid belt going the opposite direction because that planet was smashed. Those beings, to make a long story short, Panabab-Yanun and Zagorastchian both teach that those beings had a disagreement with the Anunnaki about where they would reside next. Since their planet was destroyed, they wanted Earth. The Anunnaki refused to give them Earth. Before that disagreement came about, these ships tried to attack Nibiru, and Nibiru caught them in a force field, and so they were just revolving in a force field around Nibiru. And it was one of these ships that hit into the Earth, smashed it into two pieces, and another ship came around and smashed a hole through one of those pieces. And then they had to repair the Earth, and one of those pieces that went off from the Earth is what you call today's moon. Interestingly, in the early 1980s, I think it was, people were saying that the moon was a foreign object that came and got caught in Earth's gravity. And then later, I think it was Scientific American that reported that it discovered that the moon actually broke off from the Earth. And I say interestingly because Elijah Muhammad taught back in the 60s and early 70s, before his transition, that the Earth and moon were once a part of each other and that the moon broke off from the Earth. When Elijah Muhammad said that then, they said he was crazy because they were under the theory that the moon was a foreign object that came into Earth's atmosphere, Earth's gravity, and got pulled into its orbit. But now they all confirm that the Earth and moon were once one, and the moon broke off from the Earth, confirming what Elijah Muhammad taught back in the 1960s.